Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website on Wix for tiny homes and micro living solutions, business easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first of all, let's create a new site. Now build with Wix editor. Now enter your business type, tiny homes. So for example, let's choose this and let's continue. If you wanna skip, you can click here on this skip. So here enter your business name, type any business name you want, and here if you want to add your business address. So let's continue. Set your default working hours, and here if you want to add some services, add your staff. What else do you want to do with your business? Accept online payments, send automated emails and SMS reminders, sell digital and physical products. And let's continue. Now continue to dashboard. Design the site from here. So how would you like to design a website? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you, or if you wanna customize a design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. So let's get started. So enter your information here: your business name, your email and your address and your phone, and here if you wanna add social link. So let's continue. Pick your theme you like. Pick a theme you like, and let's continue. Pick your favorite homepage design. Add page to your site if you wanna add page. Now each few seconds you prepare in the homepage website. Now your site is up and running, so if you wanna edit more your site, click here, go to the editor. So this is your homepage website, and this is the settings of your website. If you wanna add elements, click here, add elements. So the first element here, the text element. Here you can select any form or any size you wanna select from this text. Uh, Also the titles and the paragraphs. So let's move on to the next elements, the image elements. So if you wanna upload image or import image, if you're looking for some free Wix image or free Wix illustrations, that's it. Now let's move on to the button element. Here you find the themed buttons and the text and icon button, the icon buttons, the image buttons, the document buttons, and the iTunes button. And here the last is the payment button. You have to add some payment buttons on your home page. Now let's move on to the strip. Here you find classic, featured, about, services, contact, welcome, testimonials, and the theme. That's it. Now let's move on to the decorative. Here you find the shapes, the themed lines, and the basic shapes. And here you find arrows, horizontal lines, and vertical lines. And here let's move on to the vector art. You find featured, icons, animals, and nature, logos, and badges, and characters. And here we find the video elements, the video box, video mask, and transparent video. So you can select any one of these. You can add it on your home page. Now let's move on to the boxes. The boxes element, here you find the themed boxes and the container boxes and the hover boxes and the tabs. And now let's move on to the gallery. Here you find the recommended galleries. If you're looking for some recommended galleries, if you want to add pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries, or if you want to show more galleries. Let's move on to the menus and anchor. Here you find my menus, the same menus, the horizontal menus and the vertical menus. Here we find the in-page navigation, the anchor and the in-page menu, and the last here is the search, the site search. Now let's move on to the contact and forms. Here you find all the forms you have to add on your home page. You find contact forms, the order form, the registration forms, donation forms, the application forms, the feedback forms, and the request forms, and the waiver forms, and subscribe forms. And also here we find the Google Maps, the normal maps, and the full width maps. And here we find the Wix chat and the line button. So that's it. Let's move on to the video and music. Here we find the video elements, single video player or Wix video or video box or video mask or transparent video. And also here we find the music elements, audio players, Wix music and SoundCloud player and Spotify player and iTunes button. Here we find the interactive elements. We find the full width, the slideshows, the full width slideshows. And here we find the light boxes and the normal boxes, the hover boxes and the tabs. And here we find the repeaters, the hover repeaters. So that's it. Now let's move on to the list elements. Here we find the hover repeaters and the blank repeaters. Here we find the embed code. If you wanna custom some popular embeds, if you wanna add single video players, or if you wanna edit your audio elements, if you wanna edit the advanced elements, and the last here is the animation elements. Now let's move on to the social bar. Here if you wanna add some social bar, select any one of these and you can add it on your homepage at any place you want. Here the Facebook link, if you wanna add some Facebook link or Twitter link or Pinterest or VK or Line or YouTube. So let's move on to the payments. Here if you wanna add payments, if you wanna add some payments buttons, if you wanna add some payment forms or pricing plans, and here you find the store. Now let's move on to CMS. Here if you want to easily manage your site content, the blog here if you want to share your expertise and engage with your audience, and store here if you wanna edit your store. The bookings here you find the booking elements, the related elements, and the pricing plans. And also here if you wanna create and manage events, here the communities and your design. So that's it. Now if you wanna add section, click here, select any section from these you want to add on your home page, and that's it. Now let's move on to the page and menus. If you wanna add some page, so here you can click here and add page. And let's move on now to the site design. So here if you want to customize your site design, the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. So that's it. Now let's move on to the here if you wanna add apps, if you wanna manage your business. Here if you wanna upload your media, you can upload media or edit images and videos. Or if you're looking for some free Wix image or free Wix videos, here if you wanna use the CMS and easily manage your site content. And the last here is marketing and SEO. If you want to manage your ads or Facebook ads or SEO or social media marketing or marketing integrations. So that's it. Now after you're done from designing your website, all you have to do is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.